How to recover deleted messages on TikTok on Android. This tutorial shows you how to submit a report to TikTok support to request your deleted messages back. First, open the TikTok app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to open the settings page. At this point, scroll down and tap on Help Center to open the support section. In the next step, tap on Report a Problem at the top of the page. Following this, look for the blue highlighted text that says Online Reporting Form and tap on it to open the form. Once done, tap on the Topic dropdown and select the first option from the list. From here, tap on Category and select Other from the available options. At this stage, enter your TikTok username in the username field provided. After this, enter the email address where TikTok can reach you, and in the Additional Details section, explain clearly that you want to recover your deleted messages and provide as much information as possible. Once completed, if you have any screenshots or recordings related to the messages, tap the Optional Attachment option to include them with your report. Finally, scroll down to the Declaration section and check both boxes to confirm. Then tap Submit to send your report to TikTok's support team. And that's it. If this guide helped you submit a recovery request for your deleted TikTok messages on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.